am doing my 5th update on using Miami MD product. And I'm using the Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream. And I've been using it in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed. And this is week number 5, and I noticed some more changes in my skin. And what I'm going to do after the video, I'm going to show you a before I started using the product and what I look like today, side by side. But I am very pleased with the product. I used to have these little frown lines, and they're going away. Also, I'm using let me just go grab it. Hold on. I'm also using the Intensive Eye Repair Serum, and it's for underneath your eyes, the eyelids. And I am noticing I usually have bigger bags in that underneath my eyes, and I've been using that in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed as well. And I'm very pleased with how my skin is. If you don't have any issues with aging in your skin, you can use this as a moisturizer cream. And what I've noticed is that my skin has tightened up, but it's soft to the touch, and it feels really good. So I will be back next week for another update on the Miami MD, and I will see you then. Until then, blessings, y'all.